Angeles. Insight about Mars from Supreme Master Ching Hai. In a phone interview on January 15, after the discovery of the methane releases on Mars, Supreme Master Television conducted a phone interview with Dr. Michael Meyer, lead scientist of the Mars Exploration Program at the US-based National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA.
I think now, particularly with the methane, it's a reasonable question to ask is whether or not there's life on Mars today.
In the past, Mars may have undergone drastic climate change.
Hello, thank you so much, first of all, for this interview. And I just read the latest press release that there's been a definite detection of methane in the atmosphere of Mars.
Yeah.
And it says it indicates that the planet could be biologically or geologically alive. What does that mean?
Well, what's important about finding methane is that it's a gas that normally doesn't hang around for an extended period of time. But what's important about these measurements is they find that it's localized. They're in the spring, but not during the summer. So what that means is that it's being produced or released recently.
What makes it released just during one part of the year?
So one of the things that's very interesting about these results is we actually don't know.
Supreme Master Ching Hai has spoken on several occasions about how Mars had taken a similar course of environmental and climate crisis as that of the Earth today. Wishing to know more of what happened to the so-called Red Planet, Supreme Master Television staff in Los Angeles, USA invited Supreme Master Ching Hai to share her deep insights via video conference on January 18, including what lessons we may learn from our neighboring planet.
Is this latest news about NASA discovery of methane related to the Mars people living underground?
Could be, yes. Because they have to pump their methane gases from their activities from underground to the surface of Mars so that they can detox and purify the air that they breathe.
Since how long have Martians been living underground?
Since after the mass destruction on Mars, they have begun to live underground ever since then.
Supreme Master Ching Hai also shared a message from the Mars people for Earth's inhabitants. They benevolently expressed their thoughts with the hope of helping us ensure our survival.
There were two messages. The first one is from the Council of the People, and there are only two words from them. Be virtuous. And the second message is from the chairman of the people. He said, save your home before it's too late. Save your home before it's too late. That's what they said.
We thank Supreme Master Ching Hai for her invaluable knowledge of our neighbours on Mars and for her great concern for our planet's future. We would also like to thank the people of Mars for permitting their message of goodwill to be shared with us at this time. May our swift embrace of a more virtuous lifestyle help save our wonderful planet and all its deserving earthly inhabitants.
For more incredible and virtual insights on Mars, please tune in to Between Master and Disciples on Supreme Master Television for the full broadcast of this video conference at a later date with multi-language subtitles.